guinea pig, doggy, cat, green tree frog, rabbit, tiger, salamander, snake, hermit crab, bearded dragon, mouse, rat, gecko, goldfish, koi, lovebirds. Aww. I think they're called peach faces too. Budgie, parrot. Oh wow, cockatiel, canary, turpin. I don't know that Pokemon. Earthworm, rhinoceros beetle, ferret. I can't pronounce that. Tarantula, ants, tropical fish. How to play. Pony, stick insect, and sea monkey. Sea monkey. Wow, that's what a sea monkey looks like. All right, that's it. What an amazing Pokemon set. Thanks for watching.